In this video, I'm going over what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, and then the different types of affiliate marketing that you get, and some advantages for some, disadvantages for others, and then also a couple of misinformation that people might have regarding affiliate marketing. Now, basically, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling a product and getting paid a commission on each sale. Now, if I give you an example on that, if you take, for instance, if you have a product like a hair curler, a toolbox, beard oil, a course or program, basically anything that you would like to sell. Now, if that product is selling for $100, as an affiliate, for each sale you get 10% commission. Some can be more, some can be less. It depends on the affiliate company you're working with. So for this example, we're working on 10% commission, and that works out to about $10 then per item that you are selling. Now, it can be either physical products or digital products. Both of them have advantages and disadvantages. Now, with the physical products, you need to have stock. Delivery needs to be done for the products. There's a chance for breakages. It needs to be stored at some location. Your physical products are limited in the sense that if it's out of stock, or if there's something that's wrong with the product, then you have an issue where you have no product to sell. Digital products, on the other hand, you have unlimited stock. Delivery is via an email link. There's no breakages or such where you have to worry about. And the physical storage is on a website. So it has a lot more advantages compared to your physical products that you might have. Now, some of the most popular affiliate programs available are eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Udemy, even Adidas, Microsoft, Lego, all of affiliate programs, GoDaddy. Now, affiliate marketing is not just about selling courses, trainings, programs, those kind of things to people. These skills can be used by anybody with a small business, plumbers, real estate agents, restaurant owners, mechanics. Any business that you can think of basically can sell using these skills that you do have with affiliate marketing. Now, we use free social media such as Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, all those platforms to get new leads. And this is done through a sales process, which affiliate marketing courses and programs do teach you. So it's always advised, if you can, to do one of those courses. Then we turn these leads into raving fans and buyers. I'll explain a bit more later on in different videos and such how that works. Now, there are different affiliate platforms that you do have available for you. Now, you get your low ticket products, high ticket, and your MRR, which is your monthly recurring revenue platforms, which is my favorite actually. Now, low ticket items, it's anything with a commission averaging $100 or less. It's mostly physical products. As in the example we used above, to get you $1,000, you'll need to sell 100 items, if not more. Now, with low ticket products, volume is key. So the more you sell, the more you make. But like I say, the volume is the thing. You need to sell masses of a product to be able to get to a high enough commission base, basically. The next one we have is your high ticket products. Now, these are products that pay a commission from $500 upwards into the thousands. There are some platforms where you get a commission up to $10,000 or $20,000 per sale. Same amount of effort as with the low tickets, but you get higher results. You do the same amount of content creation, engagement, all that you do, but the sales on these products, on the high ticket products, are a lot higher and you get a higher commission on them. Now you get expensive physical products such as cars, houses, boats, even there are affiliate programs that do planes where you can um, people rent or hire street jets, for instance, and you can become an affiliate for them. But the requirements to become an affiliate is quite difficult, so it's not an open product to just about anybody. Now, digital courses, programs, they offer higher commissions with a commission rate normally about 50% or higher, some of them 75, 80% per sale. Now, my favorite one is the MRR, on the monthly recurring revenue. Now, these items pay you on a monthly commission basis. So, examples of these are gym memberships, subscriptions, where you like your monthly wine and chocolate or beer of the month. You have software, also known as SaaS, that is software as a service. That is, for instance, for your email software to build funnels, to do automations on, for instance, Facebook. And then you get your training or your courses, that is educational basically. Now, how this works is each client you get a X amount of commission each month. Now, if you've got 10 clients, that's 10 times the amount each month. So if in month 1 you got 10 clients and you go over to month 2, you still get this commission from those 10. If you add another 20, in month 3 you have commissions through 30 clients each month. So each time you add a client, that commission continues month over month. For instance, if you get 100 clients, that's 100 times X each month. It's basically comes down to a snowball effect. The nice part about selling something like this is for FOMO. People fearing missing out. They're seeing what you're doing, how you're getting results, and they want to be part of it. They want to see the same results for themselves. A compound example of this is where you have, for instance, your software plus training plus automations. So you get 3 times the income per client per month, which can build up quite quickly, and it's a lot less effort you have to put in, where you don't start from zero each month, but you have that income that becomes month over month. Now, small businesses as well can benefit from affiliate marketing. As with affiliate marketing, you collect leads using social media and your long form videos, short form videos, written content, all of this to collect email addresses from your clients and fans. Then you nurture or educate your leads. This is to tell them more about your product. You use social media, email to accomplish this. And then we all make sense. Same with a small business. Turn those raving fans that need your product to solve a solution into buyers. Now, affiliate marketing teaches you the skills sets to sell both digital and physical products online. You can use these same skills to grow your current small business, to start a new one. It doesn't matter what niche you are in, where the 3 big ones are health, wealth, and relationships. You will be able to sell anything online using the skill sets that you get from affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing isn't for you if you are lazy, you want instant results, you don't want to build something long term, you've got no interest in building a community, you're not willing to invest in yourself, and your goal is to make money now. It is not a get rich quick scheme. I have seen on very select occasions where people have gone through TikTok videos, for instance, gaining 1 million views on their first video, getting 30, 40, 50, 60,000 followers within the first week, and their business just blows up. Now, it is the exception to the rule. It doesn't happen always, but it is possible. Now, affiliate marketing is definitely for you if you're willing to work hard, you want to build a long-term business, You want to build a community of followers, fans, buyers. You're willing to invest in yourself, time, money, effort. Your goal is long-term freedom, not just a short-term gratification. You want to, you want more from life than what you are currently having. This is what affiliate marketing can give you. It is freedom. Freedom to enjoy your life, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, to relax and just enjoy life. All of this is possible because you work for yourself. You work flexible hours. Um, you are able to do all this as well, even if you've got only an hour or two available to you each day. You just need to have to structure everything in such a way that you allocate that time you've got available to your business every day. Now, if you've got any questions, something's not clear for you, please feel free to reach out to me. Let's get you going as soon as possible. This is something you'd be interested in. If not, let's see in the future maybe. But for now, I hope this makes everything a little bit more clear. All right. Cheers.